Breaking. The recent outburst in Ghana concerning the Igbo king that planned to procure 5 acres of land for the purpose of setting up an Igbo community in Ghana sincerely has a political undertone. Do me a favor, share this video until it gets to Honorable Hassan, Ayariga of All People's Congress Ghana. Dr. Ihenedu made an astonishing revelation during a press conference that was held in his palace in Ghana. He revealed that the issue of buying the 5 acres of land was actually his proposal as far back as 2013. 2013, so that was actually 13 years ago.
Hassan Ayariga, who was also painting black on my neck, I want to let him know that a leader does not talk like that. You cannot say anything that you have no evidence of it. When you are talking to public, say what is real and don't paint somebody wrongly. It is so cheap for him to open his mouth to say, I'm a human trafficker. But I want him to put those things, his evidence together, and the time will come, he will let me know how he's saying that I'm a human trafficker. If indeed.
Can you imagine? 2013, and guess what? It's raising us all over the place in 2025. Isn't that amazing? Now, on the other hand, this is the reason I'm saying that it has a political undertone. I don't live in Ghana, I'm not a Ghanaian, but of course, there are information, there are great people, wonderful people of Ghana that are able to give you authentic information. All right. So, Honorable Hassan was said to be allegedly peddling falsified, unfounded, and derogatory narratives about Dr. Ihenedu on a national TV. He said something like Dr. Ihenedu previously was a human trafficker. He was trafficking ladies to Ghana and all that. I think he recommended for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to look out for Nigerians who are impersonating Ghanaians through the passport. Dr. Ihenedu has proposed to challenge him for evidence. All that Ayariga'S is doing depicts resentment and extreme abhorrence for a handsome and impactful Igbo leader because he has a fantastic relationship with the current president of Ghana, President John Mahama, who again is from the opposition party. Now, all Honorable Ayariga'S effort is to sensitize the Ghana youth to violence, sabotage President John Mahama's led administration, and subsequently buy the heart of the unsuspecting Ghanaians so that they can vote for him in the next election. Too much sense in one redneck. A report read by one of the high chiefs of Dr. Ihenedu's cabinet actually confirmed that the whole mission was actually terminated in 2014 because they couldn't get some necessary approvals and all that, and that way they couldn't head on with the project.
To clarify that the plan discussed in that interview never materialized due to a series of issues surrounding the rightful ownership of the land in question.
It simply means that the proposal to buy 5 acres of land ended in 2014. That is now 12 years ago. Now my question is this. Why is it raising dust in 2025, 12 years later? It is because it is being politicized. You understand? That man knows that Dr. Ihenedu is in good terms with the current president and he wants to find a way to destabilize the whole thing. But it doesn't work that way. My joy is that Ghanaians are smart. They know what to do and they know who is saying the truth. Charlie, what do you think? Go ahead and register your thoughts respectfully in the comment. Don't bring in any negative energy. Spread love. All right. Don't forget to smash the like button, favorite this video, repost it, and share it with all your contacts. This is what I'm going to peg it today, and guess what? Until I come your way some other time, see you at the top. You know why? Because the ground is way too crowded. Bye-bye.